Hello, back on site at the driftwood site. Bit of a delay for Christmas and New Year, but I'll show you where we're up to here. It's looking quite mental. So the asbestos has all been removed, and this is what we've been left with. It's a bit windy today, so I ain't going to put the drone up, but we will do one tomorrow. So a very basic frame and a lot of rot, so most of that back wall we're going to have to replace today, because this bit is structurally sound, obviously big telegraph poles and what have you. We're going to attempt to get this roofed up or sheeted up at least, so we can we've got some dry area to work to. So that's the plan. Don't think that dog's helping much. Bull rider. So what we've got to try and do is get stuff in here to pick some purlins in to pick up the sheets. We're going to sheet this first, and then, or board it first, sorry, and then sheet it on top. But we need, everything's not square, so we've got to try and put some purlins in to pick up the sheets. So that's the plan to start with. Now we've got the nails all out. Back section's going on.
Adam, more screws, mate.
Looking alright. So we got a bit done yesterday, boarded in this back part of the roof and started putting some stud work up in here. We're going to do this front part today, so we'll be ready for tin on this bit. I'm going to put the drone up and give a overhead shot of the whole site, because while it's stripped out like this, it's quite a spectacular looking mess. And then we'll get back over it and do another shot when it's all finished. Go. They look nice then, Liv.
Oh, knackers as well.
Yeah, by the time we get finished, they should be wicked. You should have the hang of them.
Pretty nervous.
Yeah,
Doing all right?
last two should be beautiful. So day 3 of the driftwood build. Been here last couple of days, done this roof here, so this is all membraned up and ready for tin. Today is getting this frontage on, so as you can see there's a lot of nails and stuff. We need to get them all out, get any of the rotted wood off. This front rail's got to come off, and then we're going to board and sheet this and put some membrane on that as well, so ready for the cladding. So there's a lot to do here. One interesting fact about this building is that this built in the 50s using bomb damaged materials from a house, a local house. So all these windows and doors and all the original wood has already been recycled once in the 50s. While the boys are done the frontage, and I'm going to have a little go at trying to get this out of here without the whole building falling down. So this is completely rotted all the way along here. And I've got a bit on the ground as well. I'm going to run concrete through from this floor level into the other side. So I'm going to take that wood out of the base and this bit of sill. Always safety first, so we're going to put a little mini acro in here. You can see the whole front of this building's moving, so before the northern erects a fucking place, I'll try and put this in just to hold it up a bit. The whole place is going like that.
I think my knees are going up here when it's doing it.
Yeah. Stop really, you're going to end up with no building. I better put something back in before it all falls down. I think there's much chance of saving this window. It's pretty soft. Soft. It's all like paper. This is a shame, so it's going to have to come out. But I'm going to have to put some wood back in first, I think. By the time we finished messing about, we've ended up with that, taking that whole window out there. We're now trying to get some boards on the front. So we've strengthened up all around this door frame, and at the top there we're 4x2. And the old northern fella's now putting in another door post. So we're going to hang the doors off here. A bit more board and starting to get a bit of strength back into it now. It's been a mad one today because we took more apart than we put on. Still, it's getting there. 2 hours. This is like D.I.Y.S.O.S, but like extreme hardcore version. So we've got 2 hours to get this boarded out. Can the boys do it? Let's see. Well, we're about done here for the day. A few little bits finishing off, and then yeah, time to get down the pub. So yeah, it's been a successful day. We took a lot of the building apart, but we put most of it back together, and we're starting to get a bit of strength in it now. So yeah, we'll keep doing some regular updates with these videos until we're actually open, which should be mid-March. So yeah, it should be an interesting project. Thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll catch you on the next one.